So let's talk about EVAA. EVAA is sitting at $9.4 right now, and I'm covering this coin for the first time, so we are going to talk about all the good and the bad. Basically, its tokenomics, its economy. Will this project die in next few months, or can you hold it for next 5 years? At the same time, I'm going to touch upon its technical analysis at the end. Basically, I'll give you the support area from where you can buy and the resistance area where you can sell if you want to trade it, or if you're just looking for a better entry with a discount of 30 to 50%. That is what the technical analysis will give you. But the overall discussion we are going to have about this project will help you understand that is this a good project for you to buy, or is it a bad project? At the same time, you will be able to make a better decision by understanding what the hell you are investing in. So let's get started. I'm looking at this project for the first time. The protocol kinds of give it away that it's a technical project. It's not going to be a GPU project like Render or like Node AI or other stuff like that. It is going to be something that is going to be boring for a lot of people who are not tech geeks. Anyway, EVAA is a protocol that is on Telegram. It is Telegram integrated DeFi, and it gives you borrowing and payments directly within the app, powered by its deflationary governance. Okay, so they are operating through Telegram. I think that is their sales pitch, and it is a DeFi, and that's pretty much it. That is their overall sales pitch. They have a buyback and burn through the revenue fee, which is the same old thing. Governance, you can vote. Staking reward, same old, same old. Okay, it's a very simple project. Think of it like Aave, or if you call it Aave. It is Aave inside Telegram, because they think that people don't like to go to a website. They would rather go to Telegram and click, and they would do it there. They must have their reasons for it. So that's the overall perspective. Now, its success and everything depends on one thing: how many people are actually going to use it. At the same time, how many people are going to actually stake their assets there and then borrow against it. This overall DeFi environment, how is it going to play out? At the end of the day, it's the game of numbers. If their numbers are juicy, they're making good revenue, they can do buybacks and burn, which is deflation. At the same time, it keeps all the users of the platform happy. So that is the question that you need to ask and answer. It is unique that it is on Telegram, but what they're doing is not unique. You have Venus that is doing this, you have Dodo that is doing this, you have Aave that is doing this, and I can list another 20 projects that are doing the same thing. So they're up against pretty much everyone, because this is not something unique. But at least it is unique from the perspective of Telegram, unless there is some other small ass project that is doing the same thing on Telegram. The perspective of tokenomics, if we look at it, the overall inflation in this project is horrible. It is so horrible that I'll tell you that even from here, it has an inflation of 833% from here. That means that this is a disaster of a project to hold for long term. I would never recommend you to hold this for 2 years or 5 years. If you are in love with this project, if you have invested already and you want to milk it, and don't go beyond November, December. Try to find an exit in November or December, or if you already have an exit, take an exit if you think you are making decent amount of money, but don't go beyond December. After that, it's going to be a shit show, because this thing is going to inflate like hell. Every passing year, it would keep on going down in terms of its chart. So have some good time in the coming 3 months. But apart from that, I don't think holding on to it is a good decision. Now let's talk about its technical analysis. If we look at it, right now it has created a triple top structure. As you can clearly see, you have one top, you have a second top, and then you have a third top. And the support area or the neckline of this is at 8.9, which is $9. Okay, so $9 is the neckline of this structure, and we clearly saw that it is trading right now at 9.5. So very close to where it is sitting right now. This helps us making decision. As long as it continues to hold the area of $9, I would expect it to pump towards the area of $13. That is going to be our first target. It says 12.77, but I like to round up. So for me, it is $13. But if it goes below the area of $9 for more than 2 days, then I would expect it to crash. And when I say crash, it is going to crash horribly, because the first area that it will drop to would be the area of $6. And after that, I'll come back, I'll let you know, can it go down to areas of $2 or $1, or is it going to stop bleeding there? But the thing is that all that matters is $9. If it closes 2 daily candles below it, it will turn bearish and it will continue with the downward journey because of the triple top. Triple top is a bearish structure. But if it holds $9, it will invalidate the triple top, and it will convert that into a triple bottom, and then it will get bullish. The first target will be $13. Of course, it wouldn't stop there. It can go higher from there. But first, let's see what the hell it do with the area of $9. It's sitting at 9.5, very close to the support. So it is a moment of truth kind of environment right now. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.